YouTube, it is your boy Hacker7. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to save images from basically Google Chrome or any browser on your Android devices straight to your gallery. So basically, let's open Chrome and get right into it. So once you have Google Chrome opened, we're going to use an incognito tab. Let's launch Google. Okay, so we have Google. Let's say we want an image. Let's say cars. So you'd search for what you want, right? So you click on images, and once you've found the image that you're looking for, you could simply press on that image, and the next step would be to long press. And as you can see, we have a few options here. We could choose to open the image in a new tab, preview the image. Let's click on preview the image and see what that is, and that would basically give you a better look at the image. You could zoom and all of that. So let's long press again. Now you could copy the image and paste it in. Let's say you're using a photo editor, but that won't bring it to your gallery. So what you'd want to do is simply click on download image, and this will bring it straight to your gallery. So let's launch our gallery, download, and as you can see, this is in our downloads folder. So that's basically how you'd go about downloading images from Google Chrome straight to your gallery. So I hope this tutorial was informative and helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker7 out.